Hey guys, welcome to this video. I am going to show you how to create a business logo using Wix Logo Maker and also using ChatGPT to find the right slogan or tagline for your logo, business logo. All right. So just so you know, if you have a hosting Wix plan, the logo will be free. But if you don't have a hosting plan or a website through Wix, uh, to be able to download the logo that you will be creating is going to cost you a little bit of money. All right, between $50, $60, something like that. You will find out at the end. All right, but if you do have a hosting plan with Wix, no worries, it is going to be free and you can actually create multiple designs. All right, so let's dig in. I am going to be removing this bubble of myself, so you are going to be listening to my voice only. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, go into Wix Logo Maker. All right, sometimes you will see different options like around, different things like Wix Logo Maker through Google Play, wixlogomaker.net, so on and so forth. So make sure you go into wix.com and right under says free logo maker. So we're gonna just click on that. And if this is the first time for you to come to this page, to this site, make sure you take a little bit of time to kind of explore, navigate around, and see different styles. It is important to understand when you are creating a logo, um, a few things that you have to keep in mind. Understanding your branding, understanding what's inspiring you, what is it that you want to give to people, how do you want people to perceive your business, right? So, so you have a few options right here, a few examples that Wix is giving you to just give you an idea, inspiration, in fonts, different elements, different colors, different examples, different businesses, bakery logo, barber, beauty, boutique, gaming, food, fitness, all of this. So you can take a little more time to explore, to see the composition of this, how it looks. There are some logos that go horizontally, some of them just go very simple, vertical, and some very simple horizontally, like the fitness logo. So it is up to you how you want to create. If you want to do something super, super simple, sometimes you don't really need a tagline or a slogan. Let's see. Okay, so let's take this one, Fab Fold. This is a laundromat, a cleaning logo. So it says laundry folding board. That's kind of like the tagline that they are using for this laundromat. While of skincare. But for instance, Kanzo store, this doesn't really tell us much more about what are you selling. But um, if you have a tagline a little longer describing your business, it'll give a different perspective to the viewers, visitors, and the people who want to buy from you. So then we're gonna go into YouTube logo, a restaurant logo, anyway, so on and so forth. You can take a little more time, all right? Find even more logos by design, abstract, circles, elegant, minimalistic, modern, retro, text. So you can find different styles of it. All right, so this is kind of crucial for you to understand how to create a logo design for your brand. All right, so Wix is giving us some examples, very simple examples, steps that we can keep in mind before creating our business logo. So first of all, you need to reflect on the values of the brand, the business, your organization, to find out the tagline if you have one. That's what it says. You don't need one, but if you want to get one, that's totally fine. We're gonna create one for this video. Tell us what your logo is for, the type of website, the type of business, and the problems that you are fixing for people. What's the value that you want to give through your business? sharing your design style, just run different style options so you can tailor a personalized logo to your brand. There, it's gonna give you plenty options. So then you're gonna be customizing your logo. Pick a logo and customize from the fonts and the layout, the composition of it. All right, using colors, icons, elements, and all of that. Then you are going to be downloading the logo and then print your logo into t-shirts, bring that to the website, whatever you want to do with this. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will be able to download it for free if you are paying for a Wix hosting plan or have a website with it that has a pay plan. If you do not have any of this, it is going to ask you to pay for the logo. All right. So anyway, you can explore a little more about different things. So we're gonna get into it. All right. Just for the purpose of this video, we're gonna go quick, and yeah. So let's get the logo going. Click on it. Get my logo. So then it's going to open. Create a new one. So I'm going to delete this one because I started kind of working on it for this video, and then my internet went off and I couldn't continue. So I'm starting all over again. So create a new brand. All right. So we're gonna just click on that. So what type of business do you have? So in this case, we're gonna say yoga. All right. Are you a yoga instructor? Are you a yoga studio? Are you it's gonna be a yoga event, a blog, exercise, online, forum, club. It gives you so many different options if you just type the word yoga, the style, and the type of instructions, all of that. Kundalini, Iyengar, aerial. So you get the idea. So let's say if you're a fitness instructor or any type of business, make sure you are very clear on how this is gonna go. All right, so for now we're gonna just say let's go for a studio. We're gonna be a yoga studio. So we're gonna click on next. Now, what vibe do you want to present on your logo? Is it more dynamic, fun, playful, creative, modern, formal? So we're gonna say something that is fresh. Let's take a look and see what's gonna give us. You can play with this. All right, so this is totally optional. We are going to be adding one. So adding what text do you want in your logo? So we're gonna do the title of your business. It is usually your business name, or it can be anything. But we're gonna do Flow and Glow Yoga Studio. So that's the title I chose for this video. And we're gonna say, what's your tagline or slogan? Okay. Now, if you don't have any ideas on how to create this, because this is really important, it has to be a nice, strong tagline that can indicate viewers the type of business and what you want to reflect to them. All right. All right. So we are going to be using this really nice tool. It is called Chat GPT, and if you did not know about it, this is for free. You can download it in your computer. You can download it on your phone as well. It's super easy to use. All right. So we're gonna just say, can you give me a tagline for my yoga business call? I'm gonna give the name and all of it. Flow and Glow Yoga Studio. All right. So as you can see, the question that I'm asking to the Chat GPT is, can you give me a tagline or a slogan, whatever you want to phrase it. It's actually pretty good. So let's see what it's gonna give us. All right, so this is a tagline that the Chat GPT is giving us. harmony in motion, radiance in stillness, flowing glow yoga studio. I'm not that happy with it, so let's say, can you give me a few more options? All right, so now it's going to give us about 10 different options, as you can see. And then when you have all these different options, you can definitely kind of pick and choose whatever you want. All right, it doesn't have to be exactly as it is right here, but you can always just like, oh, whatever is going to be resonating with you. So let's take a look. Harmonize, ready in wellness, embrace flow, transform through, ignite your inner light, flowing grace, glowing power, discover your glow, unleash inner, find your flow, embrace your radiance. All right, so let's use this. See, this is the only thing that I'm going to be using. I don't need the flowing glow yoga and the you know, because the name is gonna be flowing glow. So I'm just gonna choose this. I'm gonna just copy and paste, find your flow, embrace your radiance. Find your flow, embrace your radiance. You know what? Let me ask something else. Can you find a different word that rhymes with flow instead of this? So take a look. Even if I have typos here, it doesn't matter. It's good. I mean, it will understand. All right. So it's a discover your glow, embrace your flow. There you go. Can you see that? All right. So I love the find your flow, embrace your radiance, but that the radiance word doesn't really rhyme with flow, and I wanted to find something that rhymes. And I asked, if it can give us a different options, and it gave us discover your glow, embrace your flow. I love it. Okay. We're gonna copy and paste. Done. Okay. So then, let me see. Usually to create a logo, guys, it takes a little bit of time finding the right font, finding the right color, just kind of getting, playing with the whole design. All right. So I'm gonna move this right here. Okay. So right here is giving you the name, the title. Choose. This is not a good color. All right. So you're just gonna go click in different spaces and see what the options that you like. Let's see this one here. Okay. Sometimes the designs are okay. If they are just general things, it's fine. Let me see this one here. I definitely like the horizontal design. Let me see if it's gonna give us. I kind of like this design. All right, so let's choose this one. Okay. It has so many more options, but I kind of like the star, this one here. I don't know why. There are some different elements that you can use. Okay, we're gonna use this one, customize your logo. So once you find something that you like, you're just gonna go and click customize your logo. Okay, so it says right here, more than a logo, create additional designs, make extra versions of your logo, branded social posts, business cards, social media, and so on and so forth. That's something that you can work on it with a little more time. All right. So the template is going to give us many different options in colors. As you can see, you can choose any of these. So let's say I want something like Caribbean heaven. Okay. I kind of like this background color. I really do. And then a little yellow. You can try different. Let me see what else am I. What about this one? Yeah, this is a nice one too. Anyway, so just for the purpose of this video, we are going to get into. I kind of like this one better. Okay, so we're gonna work with this color, and now you can see there are more templates. Okay, from here. The same templates that we saw before, you're gonna see all of them right here, just in case you want to come back to any of these. And then the palette means the different colors that you can choose from. The text meaning like how the font that you are going to be using. So for instance, right now we have Teco Semibon. When I close this, okay, you can always click on this. As you can see, if I close, whatever I choose, it's gonna give us the options to change and customize. So let's say this. First of all, just to play with this, I'm going to make this a little bigger. Okay, I'm gonna bring, you see this pink line? That means you are center. You wanna work from the center as well. Okay. All right, this is the color, kind of yellowish. I want something a little brighter than that. You can change that to any color. I think that's the same one. A little brighter. Can go like this. Something that kind of blends with the green background. I like this one. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go into the font. You can choose a different font if you want to change it. Okay. It's giving us many more options here. So you kind of get the point, right? You can spend a little more time. Let's see this one. Going below. Can you see sometimes, for instance, I love this font, but what I don't like is what it says flow and I don't like this and, so I'm not gonna use it. What about this? That's the same one. That's the original one. Let's see this one. Anyway, we're just gonna choose any of these, you guys. Oh yeah, okay, done. This one. And okay, let's take a look in the color. I want this to be black, 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 solid black. Okay, and then the tagline. So what I want to do, I don't want this to be font. So I'm going to use the same robot light instead of the ball, as you can see. I want this a little lighter. Okay, and I'm going to choose black, or you can choose this color, or you can choose that color to match the little element on the top. Okay, so this is great. I like it. If you want to go back and change it again, you can duplicate, delete, all right, from here. Now, let's take a look in the preview. Okay, so this is kind of like the logo we just created. This is just so you know, this is just an example, because what Wix does, if you don't have a hosting plan or a website with Wix, is giving you the option to see how this could look in your website. Okay, different layouts. So we're gonna do next. We're gonna come back to editor, whatever you want to do. All right. There are different shapes. You can bring an image from outside. As you can see, you can use different symbols. Let's say if you don't want a little star right here, so you can go into symbols and you can just do this. All right, so we're gonna delete the star and we're going to, can you see the little bubbles on the corners? This is for you to make it bigger, okay? And I'm gonna go into that. Maybe a little lower. Let's see. All right, so as you can see, you can do so many things with this. Let me see how this could look. All right, so let me see if it's gonna give me the option to put this back. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's giving me that option to arrange. Here it is, arrange, move forward, move back, 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 a couple of times. As you can see, I clicked twice to bring this back because we have two different elements, which is the title, the main logo name, and also the tagline. If you want to move front, see, forward, back, back, setback. All right. So I don't know. What do you think about this? I mean, this can go in so many different ways, you guys. All right, let's skip this one. Let's take a look at the preview. I kind of like this one better. Okay, we're gonna keep this one. As you can see, I really like this color a lot with the green, the tan color, the golden tan. So let's say if you don't have a Wix account and you really like this one thing that I will do, if you are not able to download it, we're gonna go in a moment to download it. You can go Command and Shift and 4, and I will screenshot this for me just to keep an example of what I've been working on. Or eventually, if you decide not to do your logo, but you kind of like whatever the work that you have done so far or the idea of it, you can keep the screenshot and send it to someone else to say, like, I've been working on this logo and this is the idea, this is my idea, blah blah blah. So it kind of, and this is the colors that I like. So it's gonna be so much easier to somebody else to kind of get your idea for the logo. All right, so it has something to start with, to something to work with as well. All right, so we're gonna go right here, go to Brand Studio. We don't want to do that. Well, let's take a look and see what it is. Okay, the Brand Studio is basically the place where you need to download this. It's gonna ask you to pick a domain, get a branded website, which you already have. Anyway, so it kind of gives the idea of the things that you can do. All right, if you don't have a website, it's gonna offer you one. If you don't have a landing page or something, it's gonna offer you that. You can see many different ways of the business card. They already here to print, print your logo and merchandise. Um, this is really really cool, actually, very cool, because it kind of gives the whole idea for your business, for the website, domain, and even for a business email. Okay, so let's click and see. Well, the logo is already done, you guys. But the thing here is that if you just want to download it, watch this. All right, so let me go back again. So if you are here on all the brand options, you can just kind of, take a little more time, you guys. Let's say you don't have the Wix hosting plan. Edit the logo is going to take you back to edit it, download it, and then they say get a matching website with your logo. What do you want? Online booking, basic website, or just a simple landing page? You're just gonna go over. It's gonna give you many more options, and you say no. Get my logo plus this website, and you just go in it, doing the whole process. But if you say no, I just need the logo, here are the prices. Choose your logo plan, build your online presence with a unique high quality logo, get dozens of logos file precise for social media, your own premium website. Just the logo and website is giving you 40%. Okay, to start with, just the logo. Select basic, just essentials. Those are the different type of yeah. So if we click right here, just the logo, select, go to plan. I'm not sure what is full commercial, use rights, standard logo. Okay, one payment, advance, full commercial, use right, standard logo, resize logo file. So it's gonna give you all of it. So there you can choose whatever the plan that you want to pay to have your logo. All right, so then, I mean, that's the end of the video, you guys. You choose whatever you want to do with it. If you want to keep the Wix Logo Maker, it is totally up to you. All right, so there are other options for you to use different platforms, different things for you to create a logo for free and less complicated. Yes, there are. Okay, but this is the Wix Logo Maker for this video. And until next time, I hope this is helpful. If you like this video, just say I like it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and until next time. Ciao.